Hello friends, it's just Myra here. Today is Friday and I didn't work today, so I'm gonna go grocery shopping because the weekend is coming and we don't have anything to eat. The last time I went grocery shopping was a while ago. My hair is still wet. Oh, let me turn this off. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to take you along because it's gonna be hard for me to drive because my camera doesn't have a stand and I'm sure if I start driving it's gonna be moving around and you don't want to be dizzy. Anyway, let me go ahead and do my grocery shopping and then come back, and then I have a order of plants that came today that I'm gonna do unboxing. Yes, I failed. I am so guilty. I said I'm not gonna buy plants this month, but I couldn't help it. I couldn't control it. I end up buying quite a few plants. So that's what happened with my obsession. I couldn't control myself. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. See you then. Hey guys, I'm supposed to be going to the grocery, but look where I'm heading right now. Looks like the grocery store is gonna be skipped today. So we'll see what they have inside. Okay, so here they have fiddle fig. They actually pretty good size and looking healthy. Yeah, that's their fiddle fig. Have some more rubber plant. I think this is asparagus fern. So pretty. Creeping figs, Dracena, and then peperomia. Peperomia hope. And this is bromeliad. It's pretty. I think this is bird's nest fern. It looks different. Wow, this is new. I've never seen this before. It's called Mandarin Spider. Look at this rock. So cute. $14.99. This is just rocks. They have Oya, $10.49. Have more succulent and cactus. Cacti. Oh, this one is pretty. Wonder what's this? This is, it's hard to figure out. Exotic aloe. Wow, they're pretty. Some more plants in here. stuff in here. Sansevierias. Yeah, this is sansevieria. It's very pretty. $17. I'm back, guys. So this morning I got up to put away my plants back inside because it says it's supposed to rain, but it's actually didn't rain. It's so sunny right now outside, and I feel like stupid. My neighbors is watching me this morning bringing back in the plants. Now, well, the plants that I bring outside are all my cacti. So now I have to bring them back out because it's so beautiful outside. It's sunny. I don't want them to miss the beautiful sunny days. So I'll show you my cacti. I'm so stupid. They're right here in my kitchen right now. So I have to bring them all back one by one. I look at the weather. It's not supposed to rain. So, hello friends, just Myra here, and today I'm going to confess I failed. My no-buy plant for this month didn't work out. I failed. There's a lot of temptation. There's a lot of beautiful plants, and there's a lot of sales going on when it comes to plants, so I couldn't help it. So my face is so red. I couldn't help it, so I end up buying plants. So forgive me. But hey, it's fun. So anyway, I'm here to do unboxing. I got this order from Hertz Garden. They're running a summer sale, so they have like 10% off discount. So I took that. Oh my gosh, this scissor is so not sharp, rusty. So I end up purchasing or ordering 3, I think. So here it is. Let me see what I got. Oh, they are beautiful. Oh, I love this bubble wrap. I could use this to send plants to a friend. I kind of forgot what I ordered now. Okay, I hope there's a name. So I got this. Isn't this beautiful? It's so itchy bitchy tiny. This is sansevieria fernwood. It's in a 2-inch pot. So yeah. I went to the grocery store today and I end up no, I didn't go to the, well, originally I'm supposed to go to the grocery store. It is before the grocery store, it's a nursery store first. So I end up turning to the nursery store before the grocery store, so I spent money and I was fine. But then when I went to the grocery store, I spent money, I was not happy. So this is the sansevieria fernwood. It is so pretty. I forget what sansevieria is this. I have to look it up in my order and I'll attach the name. I forgot what it is. I don't have this sansevieria. So this one is a 4-inch. It's weird. I thought this supposed to be in terracotta pad too. Maybe I read the wrong part. So this is sansevieria also. I forgot the name. I can just put the link down. And this one is a sansevieria. Tiny little bug. It is super cute. A lot of rocks in there. Hopefully it didn't help. I don't know. It's gonna take long. So this is sansevieria samurai one. This one. So it's my additional sansevieria. I want to collect sansevieria too because they are very, very hardy plants. It's like really, it's very easy to take care. You don't have to worry about. And plus, they are known to produce a lot of oxygen, especially at night. So, yep, this is my sansevieria samurai. So then guys, I went, like I said, I was supposed to go to the grocery store. I end up turning to the nursery store because I need to go buy me my neem oil for my spray for my plants, and my houseplant systemic insect control that I mix into my soil. And this is my first time that I'm gonna use this. It's organic Neptune fish and seaweed fertilizer for my plants. So I'm gonna try this. Hopefully it boosts more the growth of my plants. And so I end up seeing this neon pothos for like $4.99. It's actually pretty nice. So I decided to buy it because I have one, but it's slowly growing and I wanted to add one in my bedroom. So I bought this too, neon pothos. It's a 4-inch and I don't have this. So ta-da! This is the what you call Whitney sansevieria. Isn't that beautiful? Just look at that variegation. It was like so green in the middle, and then there's like beautiful color in the outside. It's very pretty, really pretty. So it has like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a lot. I can split it. So I texted my friends, my plant friends, if they have this kind, because we usually do that. We split it, so we're going to split it. This sansevieria. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna split it. So that's it. So I'm not in a no-buy plant no more because I end up buying. I still have plants that I bought, but it's outside. I'm not gonna go there and get it. So, and I'm gonna enclose some clips that I got from when I went to the nursery room. So But yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.